Let's see. That should be the right one. Yeah, okay. Just put that's for the ignition. So let's see. Okay, they're all the same side. See nothing up top. Yeah, this, even though it's a 1991, this truck was well maintained for sure. That fires. It must be, 'cause it's gonna. I feel like I should go further. It's not those. 15541. Let me check something real quick. Okay, that's turning further. Is that locked? Is it locked and unlocked? 15542. 15542. That's what it seems like. 15542. Let's try it. Age 50. Let's see. Do all this. Yeah. So what happened? The paper? Yeah. Going through probate, I guess, right?
Yeah, well, my sister's been down here. She was supposed to have the key.
Okay.
I don't know. She lost it.
She lost it or she never had it?
She apparently lost it.
Oh. Where does she live? Also by you?
Right here.
Oh, she lives here. Okay.
I'm trying not to lose my shit.
Yeah. So who pays for the key? Her or you or the state or what?
I drove 12 goddamn hours.
To pick it up.
Yeah.
And you didn't know until you got her. That's funny. All right, let's check this door key. It doesn't seem like it locks. Well, let's see.
You wouldn't have to have the battery, right?
But that's locked, right? That's locked. Okay, so I don't know, it's turning, but I shouldn't do anything. Maybe I gotta go further. Okay, there you go. So that's locked, and that's unlocked. Okay. Let me cut you another one of these.
Already locky.
It's just hard. It's just very hard to turn it. All right, here's one.
Okay.
Let's get another one, then we'll do the ignition. she away. These keys away. Got the next one. We got a few. Oh, we got more somewhere. There we go. Full bag of them. All right, here's another door key. Where'd that tool go? There we go. Yep. Let's do this one. Ignition will probably have to come from this angle. Let's see. I think that'll be the best. Find out where these are. Oop, that's not in there yet. We'll do it straight when we go in. Okay, they're at the top. Nothing on the bottom, all at the top. Okay, let's turn. Flip it. Which side are they on? Okay, they're on the bottom now. Not on the top. They're on the top. So the bottom is empty. Bottom is empty. So we got the top. We got one. One. I think that's a 3. Oh, this is going to 2. 1, 2, 5, 3. 1, 2, 5, 3, 3. 1, 2, 5, 3, 3. 1, 2, 5, 3, 3. All right, let's cut it. 1, 2, 5, 3, 3. this one. Let's check it again. Let's check it. There we go. We're done. Cut a spare. That was pretty simple, guys. That was a very quick one. These away. Key rings. Don't need that. All right, it's all done. It couldn't have gone any smoother.
Right on.
Yeah.